Welcome guys to another Tarzan Reacts to Violence. We're back, and we're back, of course, defund the police city, baby. New York City. Let's see how these guys are doing. This happened yesterday. Let's fucking go. Give a fuck if he had in a vest. Check this guy's out. Here we have a car. We have a guy following him, crashing into him, making sure he goes nowhere. Where you going, boy? Get your ass back. Move out the way, civilian. Can't you see him trying to rob this guy? Dude. Yo, check it out. He gets out with a gat, starts hitting him the fucking windshield. I'm trying to get buried. Pussy boy, he tried to buff me back at the clip for even and rush me. When I'm feeling money. Cause I'm loving the Florida life. I don't see that shit over here, man. Defund the police, huh? The shit you get left. Nothing left. Niggas be broken upset. There you go. Picture just from the neck. Boom. Horrible. 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 This guy got robbed. You can't even escape these guys. They'll follow you around. And where are the cops? Defunded. To a backflip. Listen, defunded. Defunded morally, financially. You feel me? How about that shit, New York? Enjoy that shit.